Hello, my name is Jeremy Hughes, and I want to talk a little bit about today on some new additions that we've got to the already successful Avatar single disc air seeder line. We launched the Avatar back in 2018 here in the North American market, and over the years of getting into different market areas, we've made several different adaptations to the machine to accommodate for the changes in farming conditions and farming practices across North America. Here for 2025, we're launching a new option that's available on the 40 SD and the 60 MD Avatar. That's a factory installed row cleaner system. Today we have options out there that include a retrofit kit, and then soon as we get into 2025, we'll be offering these as a factory installed option. The row cleaner kit that we have gives you an extra advantage whenever you're going into conditions. For example, double crop soybeans behind wheat where you're dealing with heavy residues, being able to clean residue out of the way slightly, helping to reduce any type of a hairpinning effect, and while also at the same time helping you achieve precise seed depth, even though you've got variable levels of residue going across your no-till conditions. This kit that we are installing on the machines has an independent control when it comes to how aggressive you want to run the row cleaners, and then also what pitches you can run the row cleaners that we'll show you here in a moment. So let's take a closer look at the row cleaner option that we have available on the 40 SD and 60 MD Avatar line from HORSCH. As we zoom in, you'll see that the row cleaner option that we're providing on these two models of Avatars is independently mounted. You have a rubber torsion that gives you flexibility if you get into rocky conditions, and then the system is independently adjusted depending on how aggressive that you want it in the field pending your conditions. We use a pull type design rather than a push type design, which gives us more control and allows us to be able to control that residue flow a lot simpler as we're going across the field. We take a closer look at the way that we mount the row cleaner wheels on the new row cleaner option that we have on the Avatar units. You can see here there's timing marks on the arm and then a timing mark on the axle shaft here for the actual row cleaner wheel. With this adjustment, we can use a crescent wrench, and loosening this nut, we can actually change the camber of that wheel depending on how aggressive we want the throwing action of the material as we're going across the field. And as mentioned earlier, there's a hydraulic cylinder that's up front where we can adjust how deep we want to run these as we go across. So not only can we adjust the aggressiveness in depth, we can also adjust the pitch of these row cleaners pending the field conditions we're going into. For more information on the new row cleaner option on the Avatar and the complete Avatar line from HORSCH, visit us at www.horsch.com or visit your local HORSCH dealer today.